In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up client portals on Monday.com. To begin, open Monday.com and create a new board. Click the plus icon, then choose New Board. When you are asked what type of board you want, select Shareable. This is important because a shareable board is designed for collaborating with people outside of your main account, like clients, while keeping the rest of your workspace private. Give the board a clear name such as the client name or the project name so it is easy to recognize later. Next, you will invite your client to the board, look to the top right and click Invite. Enter the client email address, then add them as a guest. Guest access is ideal for client portals because it limits what the client can see and do to only what you share with them. It also helps keep your internal boards and team conversations separate from the client experience. After the client is added, take a moment to tighten up permissions. Go to Board Settings, then Open Permissions. Set the board to view only if you are working with sensitive data or if you want to prevent accidental changes. View only means the client can see updates and progress, but they cannot edit items, change statuses, or adjust the board structure. This helps you keep the portal clean and controlled. Now you will add a visual reporting view. At the top of the board, click Add View, then select Chart. A chart view is helpful for clients because it turns board information into clear visuals, like progress summaries and status breakdowns. Keep your chart simple and focused on the key metrics your client cares about. Finally, add a form so clients can send requests or feedback in an organized way. Click Add View again and choose Form to create a Monday work form. Customize the form fields to match the information you need, such as request type, priority, notes, and any relevant attachments. When clients submit the form, it will create a new item on the board, which helps you track and respond without losing details in email threads. That covers everything you need to know.